Imagine stepping onto a movie set that's partly digital, partly real, where the sky, cityscape, and even distant mountains aren't painted or built. They're projected behind you on massive LED panels, where a director doesn't need to wait for perfect weather because the digital world adapts in real time. That's not sci-fi, that's modern filmmaking in 2025. Today, we'll explore the amazing tech that's rewriting how movies are made. From AI, virtual production, drones, light field cameras, to text-based editing. One of the most revolutionary changes in recent years is virtual production. The use of LED walls or volumes that display digital environments in real time behind actors. This replaces or augments green screens. This tech gives filmmakers more control. They can see what the final shot will look like while shooting, change time of day, weather, background, everything on the fly. It's a seamless blend of real and virtual worlds. While cameras and sets evolve, software is transforming how stories are crafted. Generative AI and AI tools are assisting with storyboarding, visual concept art, even basic script drafts. Researchers are blending creative direction and automation. Some studios use AI to generate background details, crowd animations, or fill in complex VFX elements automatically. AI can create matte paintings, sky replacements, or fill in frames in transitions. One example: Netflix's leadership sees AI not as a way to cut budgets in half, but as a tool to enhance the final product. Ted Sarandos said the bigger opportunity is making movies 10% better, not just cheaper. Editing is entering a whole new dimension. Imagine describing your edit in words. Trim this scene, add slow motion, make it golden hour, and AI does it instantly. It's not just visuals. Sound design has become a high-tech art form. AI tools can now generate realistic ambient sounds, compose adaptive music that changes with the emotion of the scene, or clone actor voices ethically for dialogue touch-ups. Tech has also freed the camera from static positions. Mini drones now film stunning aerial shots, moving through narrow spaces, indoors, weaving through trees. They're used in action, travel films, documentaries. But beyond drones, filmmakers use virtual cinematography, rendering camera movements and angles that would be impossible in real life. Such virtual cameras move freely through 3D scenes, enabling mind-bending visual sequences. Another frontier is light field cameras. Unlike normal cameras which capture a 2D slice, light field tech captures information about rays of light in 3D, direction, depth, focus. Why is this cool? Because you can refocus stories after filming, change depth of field, even simulate perspective shifts in post-production without reshooting. Movies are no longer just passive experiences. Emerging tech lets audiences enter narratives. XR, extended reality, blending AR, VR, and film, allows viewers to explore scenes, choose perspectives, or interact slightly with story elements. Also, 360-degree video, volumetric captures, capturing actors in full 3D, and mixed reality mobilize the boundary between film and experience. Finally, tech doesn't stop when filming ends. It extends to how films find their audience. Streaming platforms use machine learning to predict which stories will connect, when to release them, and even which thumbnails or trailers get clicks. But the momentum is clear. Filmmaking is democratizing. The set that used to cost millions can now be built on a laptop, LED walls, intelligent software, and a small crew. So when you watch a blockbuster next time, remember, behind the magic lies layers of cutting-edge technology, collaboration with algorithms, and bold experimentation. If this journey through modern film tech inspired you, hit that like, subscribe to TechWise Show, and drop in the comments, which tech surprised you most?